Over the years, I've installed a lot of new lawns, and there's no doubt about it that if you get it right the first time, you'll be able to enjoy them for the rest of your life. There are a few things you need to get right for lawn success. Good soil preparation, drainage and levels, correct lawn species selection for your situation, good laying technique, and most importantly, green side up, brown side down. And then a good establishment regime. All new lawns need water to ensure they don't dry out, and how much you water depends on the time of year. Obviously, you'll use more in summer. Then once they're established, that is, the roots have taken, you can gradually back off the watering. Fairly new on the scene and a big favourite of mine is this liquid gear from Seasol, Lawn and Turf Starter. It's got all the benefits of a higher concentration of Seasol plus liquid compost, which helps improve lawn seed germination and reduce transplant shock on newly laid turf. It promotes strong root development, healthy green growth, and reduces stress from heat, drought, frost, and foot traffic. Just a note on foot traffic, try and stay off your newly laid lawn for a couple of weeks or so to allow the roots to develop and get into the soil without getting crushed. And rolling newly laid turf ensures that the lawn is in contact with the soil below, and you can hire water-filled rollers for this. The click-on hose spray bottles are really easy to set up. They work just the same as all the other Seasol and Power Feed bottles. I'm just going to change over now. This is a new one. Give it a bit of a shake, just to mix up all the ingredients. What comes with it is the straw here that goes into the spray nozzle. That just goes in there. Lift the cap, click on the hose, turn on the water, and you're away, spraying for Australia. A good tip when you're using these hose-on bottles to reduce the pressure for smaller close-up areas is to kink the hose a little. See, it's just like magic.